Today we are reviewing Ninja DZ201 Foodie 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone 2-basket air fryer with 2 independent frying baskets, match cook, and smart finish to roast, broil, dehydrate, and more for quick, easy meals in gray. As the original air fryer with 2 independent baskets, the large air fryer provides you with the convenience of cooking 2 foods in 2 different ways at the same time, eliminating back-to-back cooking like you usually get to with a single basket air fryer. Its DualZone technology allows you to choose between the Smart Finish feature, which allows you to cook 2 foods in 2 different ways that will finish at the same time, and a Match Cook button that allows you to easily copy the settings across the zone for a full 8-quart capacity of cooking. There are many versatile cooking programs including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. A large capacity of 8 quarts means you could cook main and side at the same time, which is ideal for quick family meals, which can be up to 4 pounds at a time. There are 3 different heating zones in the system: an independent 4-quart zone, a cyclonic heating zone, and a rapid heating zone. The baskets and crisper plates are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The wide temperature range of 105 degrees to 450 degrees make it possible to gently remove moisture from the food and quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat as quickly as possible. This was review for Ninja DZ201 Foodie 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone 2-basket air fryer.